Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 9th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, gold did turn at a pretty key level. If you've been watching my videos, you know that always say that the 161, 178 is a very important level in a wave C of an ABC pullback. So we have a pulse down over here, probably wave A. We have a very overlapping pattern up here, probably wave B. Then we have another pulse down, likely wave C. 161, 178 is very important when you see a higher high wave B, and then you get a lower low wave C. There's probably a pretty good chance this is the end of a pullback, and there's probably a pretty good chance that this thing is actually already back into the uptrend. So I definitely would be keeping an eye out for long opportunities. I'd want to maybe bounce down to a sort of time frame and try to get in on a pullback. Maybe look for a 1, 2, 3 pullback on sort of time frames to try to get long for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.